Hi, my name is Ana Linares and I'm a private tour guide in the Valencian community and Murcia region. One of my specialties at home is cooking this Valencian paella. Let's check some of the pure ingredients of a real Valencian paella. We have first of all some seasonal vegetables, red pepper, artichokes, whatever you consider it is a seasonal vegetable. Then meat. It is important to use meat, pork, chicken or rabbit if it's okay. But we never use chorizo. Chorizo is completely forbidden. Then something quite special from this region, it is the kind of rice, the type of rice. This is bomba rice from our natural park in the Albufera in Valencia. So we cook everything together and we have ready some meat stock or vegetable stock that we will add it in a few minutes. So this is a real Valencian paella, cooking today 18th of April as a World Food Day, and it is one of my favorite local dishes. Valencian paella. After 20 minutes, more or less, we have the paella ready. Once we add the meat or vegetable stock, we don't move it, we don't mix, we don't move any longer the rice, we leave it quiet. But now to serve it in the dish, we do it like this, and it is ready to eat the best Valencian paella ever. If you want to enjoy this with me, just book a private guided tour.